Hello guys, today I'm changing the air filter of my KTM Duke 390. It's 7,000 kilometers. Yeah, the cluster I got changed at 1,000 kilometers because it had shut down. So it's pretty easy to change the air filter of the KTM Duke 390. You just have to remove your seat, and there are 6 screws here. I've already removed. This is just a small cover. This comes out. And that's the filter. You just have to press these two and pull out the filter. It's pretty dirty, as you can see, since parts were not available when I was getting the bike serviced. I had to pick up the new filter at a later point, so I'm free today. I'm just replacing it. This is how the new filter looks like. Let's just check the inside for any dirt or any kind of leaves or anything. There's nothing. And that's the runner, and it's pretty easy to fix this up. Just have to see the 2 slots over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there, 2 slots, and make sure you fix it properly or else it won't sit. Took a bit of muscle to fix this. It's a feisty little air filter. It's pretty hard, it doesn't sit properly. See, I had to press it with a screwdriver. Small marks here, quite hard. Here there's a mark. The shape changed a bit, doesn't make any difference to the performance. Alright, that was it.